YouTube channel. So how are you all friend? Hope you will be fine and good. But for you today, that is about a beautiful cross stitch chair cover. Hand embroidery designs I have bought for you. You can choose the cross stitch embroidery designing with beautiful ideas. Different cross stitch pattern designs are making amazing color combination ideas. Different thing I'm making with cross stitch embroidery designs you can make easily. You can easily in your different items and decorative designs ideas decorate different things with beautiful ideas like as your pillow covers, cushions covers, chair covers, table mats, wall hanging ideas and community wall photos. Decorate your home with these ideas. I hope you like these ideas. If you like these ideas friend, then you encourage me and subscribe my channel by liking my video and share my video with friends and your family members. Friend, these are different ideas about silk ribbon embroidery and Brazilian Turkish embroidery designings I have bought for you with amazing designs. You can choose easily, and also if you want videos and ideas about your choice, I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can easily watch video and get ideas about your choice. Now friend, I am going to meet in next video with different ideas in different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye viewers. Till the next video and more ideas, more videos. Please guys, support me by sharing my videos, support me my channel. Take care viewers. Allah Hafiz. Till the next video.